So I have created the account here, Zrok. I have created the account, so that's why I'm going to call all the APIs, all the requests from my server to my local environment by using the Zrok. Fine, this is the Zrok. You can send the request from your local environment to your your server to the local environment. What you need, just need to click on the account. Just click on this one. How can you start getting started? They are saying you have to create the account or you have to select the package, then download the library. You have to download the library in your Windows machine or in your Ubuntu. As you can see, you know very well that I'm using the Windows subdirectory for the Linux. So now once you have the downloaded the binary, then you have to click on the environment by using this particular command zrok enable. Then you have the token where you can get the token. You have to get the tokens from, okay, fine. So like if you click on this one, you have to download the specific environment. I'm using the 8664. Click on this one, or you have to click on the guide. So just copy this one and paste this one in your machine, so it will download this particular one. Once you have this one, okay, so once you have downloaded, then you have to use the environment. So just click on this one. How can you get the environment? So as you can see, just click on this one, this link, and then when you have this particular link, it will show you the getting started wizard. So you have to just copy your code. As you can see, Zrok enable. This is the API tokens you have. Just copy this one, paste this one here like this. Copy this one, paste this one here, and also copy this one, paste this one here. So you have successfully installed the Zrok, and also you have created or saved the API token. Once you have this one, then you have to call some commands, like you have to use this particular one, Zrok, like this, Zrok share public and HTTP. Why you are using 0000? You are saying that every request you are going to use, that means you are going to have all the requests from all the IPs. If you are not going to have this particular code or this particular command, your Llama won't accept the request. Fine. So once you have installed this one, then you are ready to go. Okay, also you have to first start the Llama with the debug. Fine, you have to just copy this one and paste this and open your uh, prompt. Paste this one here. As you can see, it's now giving you error. Why? Because I already have this particular one. So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to also close this one so you guys can easily understand. I'm also close this one. Fine. So I'm also close this background. So now you can also close this one. And now I'm saying Ubuntu, refresh, click on this one. It's now working fine. So this is the first step you have to perform. The second step, you have to use the zrok. You have to just zrok share public IP. It will give you the public IP. So you can use that particular IP whenever you are calling or sending the request from your server to the local environment. So now, as you can see, this is the IP you have. So copy this IP and paste this IP in a specific or the save place. So if I show you, this is the cpanel. I'm going to use this particular cpanel to send the request from my cpanel account to my local environment. So if I right click, paste, not this one, right click, paste. As you can see, this is the request I'm going to send. So wait for a few seconds. So now it's using my GPUs. This one, if you click on this one, MSI, as you can see, it's using out of 4, this one, and it's sending the request. And now if you can take the look here, as you can see, it's saying the request is coming So this is the time 15:47:34, and it's already 15:48 and 3. So it's still working here. Okay, boom. You have completed. So now as you can see, if I just do this again by using this one, so now as you can see, you have increased uh, post one 15:48. So it's 48. Now you are serving the request from your server to your local GPUs.